phone died. You mind if I use WhatsApp?
WhatsApp? Yeah.
Yeah, bro. God bless.
You almost done there, bud?
Yeah, bro.
You lost there, bud? You've been taking a minute, man.
I mean, a little bit, bro. Cause what is this? Why do you have pictures of my aunt?
That's what?
What do you mean? What's what? Look at this. Who's that?
That's your aunt.
Yes. Why do you have picture of her? What do you mean?
Listen, sport. It's okay. I can be the uncle you lost long ago. Wanna play catch? No. Later, marica!
Hey man, this ever happened to you before where you give your phone to your friend, he just starts snooping around? If so, download my app, Safety Lock. With Safety Lock, you ain't gotta worry about people snooping around. Just log in, use your email, password, select up to 4 apps, and then, set up a passcode. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. And they can't get out unless they know the passcode. So, download my app. God bless.
Ya va. Oh. Spider-Man?